प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने सोमवार को कर्नाटक की राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साइंस के सिल्वर जुबली कार्यक्रम को संबोधित किया। इस दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा कि दूसरे विश्व युद्ध के बाद आज सबसे बड़ा संकट आया है। जैसे विश्व युद्ध के बाद दुनिया बदल गई, वैसे ही कोरोना के बाद दुनिया पूरी तरह से बदल जाएगी। पीएम मोदी ने कहा कि पहले वैश्वीकरण को लेकर आर्थिक मसले पर चर्चा होती थी, लेकिन अब मानवता के आधार पर चर्चा करना जरूरी होगा। स्वास्थ्य के मामले में भारत ने पिछले 6 साल में बड़े फैसले लिए हैं। हम 4 पिलर पर काम कर रहे हैं। संबोधन में पीएम मोदी बोले कि आयुष्मान भारत की वजह से देश में 1 करोड़ से अधिक लोगों को राहत पहुंची है और उनका मुफ्त में इलाज हुआ है। हमारा लक्ष्य है कि देश में वैश्विक लेवल की मेडिकल सुविधाएं शुरू की जाए। इसके अलावा हर जिले में मेडिकल कॉलेज की स्थापना करने का लक्ष्य रखा गया। उन्होंने यह कहा कि भारत के डॉक्टरों पर दुनिया की निगाहें हैं। आज देश में ही पीपीई किट और N95 मास्क तैयार किए जा रहे हैं।
It gives me great joy to inaugurate the 25th Foundation Day of this distinguished university. I congratulate the entire medical and scientific community associated with this university. In these years, you are doing wonderful work in teaching as well as training on systems of medicine. The efforts of the Karnataka government in handling the COVID-19 situation. Friends, in normal times, the celebrations would have surely been bigger. Had it not been for the global pandemic, I would have loved to be with you all in Bengaluru to mark this special day. But today, the world is facing one of the biggest crises since the 2 world wars. Like the world changed pre and post world wars, the same way the pre and post COVID world will be different. In fact, doctors and medical workers are like soldiers, but without the soldier's uniform. In the battle of invisible versus invincible, our medical workers are sure to win. Friends, earlier, the debates on globalizations have focused on economic issues. Now, the world must unite and focus on humanity-centric aspects of development. Advancements nations make in the health sector will matter more than ever before. Friends, during the last 6 years, we in India, many initiatives in healthcare and medical education. We are broadly working on 4 pillars. The first is preventive healthcare. This includes the importance to yoga, Ayurveda, and general fitness. The second is affordable healthcare. Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest healthcare scheme, belongs to India. In less than 2 years, 1 crore people have benefited from this Ayushman Bharat scheme. Women and those staying in villages are among the major beneficiaries of this scheme. And the third pillar is improvements on the supply side. A nation like ours has to have proper medical infrastructure and medical educational infrastructure. The country has seen rapid progress in setting up 22 more AIIMS. Over the last 5 years, we have been able to add over 30,000 seats in MBBS and 15,000 seats in post-graduation. This has been the largest increase in the 5-year term of any government since independence. Friends, I am aware of an area that is of great concern to you all. Due to a mob mentality, those working on the front lines, those on duty, be it doctors, nurses, safai workers, others, are subject to violence. I want to state it clearly. Violence, abuse, and rude behavior is not acceptable. Steps have been taken to protect you against any form of violence. We have also provided an insurance cover of rupees 50 lakh for those on the front line. I am sure that the university will continue to produce health personnel of excellent quality and caliber that will make the state and the country proud. Thank you.